So I think customers should know about our carbon capture scheme. When we order in paper, card, envelopes, anything to do with printing, our rolls of media, we actually have money towards planting trees, which is very good. And once a year we actually go with the group and physically plant trees, which we did back in 2023. So there's posts on Facebook about us planting trees. Exciting new goals and projects in the print department. We've actually invested in a perfect bound book maker. There's that one to add to our list of things that we can do in-house, as well as a new die cutting machine, which means we'll be able to cut out weird and wonderful shapes and crease in different directions, so we can do sewing pattern envelopes in-house now, because that's been a bit of an issue where we have to go about half an hour away to get them cut down. But if we can do it in-house, it means that we can ensure that the time scale is up to scale. So a memorable experience when we went above and beyond would be when a courier decided they were going to lose a parcel for a very big event. So me and Brett went all the way up to London carrying boards which were about 1.3 meters square on the train with a load of vinyl to get some boards up. So we made some boards in the Bulgaria Hotel in London for a party for one of our customers. I think what sets us apart from our competitors will probably be the range of things that we do. So I work in print and design, but we've also got computer and telecoms. We do quite a wide range of things, so especially business clients can come to us. Not only can they have their computer serviced and get broadband, but they can also have their flyers and business cards printed with us as well.